All right, so we're out doing some more Maidens today, and well, I've got one that I'm excited for. This is my P-47. This is by E-flite, and beautiful, gorgeous plane. This is my second version of this because, well, my first plane, I only got to fly for 2 minutes before, well, unfortunate things happened.
The runway.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
You're not supposed to dogfight, guys.
We were trying to!
All right, so we're going to put this bird through its paces. We're getting a little bit of a breeze out here today, probably around 10 miles an hour, and so we're going to see how the safe and AS3X stabilization works on this bird. Let's get her out to the runway. All right, let's see how we do. Oh, flies so good out of the box. Well, I'll tell you what, that plane is a joy to fly. Very first warbird I ever bought, and well, yeah, it was the very first warbird I ever bought. And you know, great trainer for warbirds. They definitely fly different than, well, trainers and just about everything else. And what an absolute blast. Being able to, you know, flip safe on and off as I'm flying, you know, decide whether I want to do some tricks or not. Piece of cake in this wind too, man. You know, we had a little bit of gustiness up there, but holy cow, I couldn't be happier. P-47 by E-flite with safe select, and it's just got all the bells, whistles, and features you could ever want. Highly recommend it. You should go pick one up. Keep flying.